The Navy is officially formally ending its presence in Brunswick that dates back nearly 70 years.
You notice fewer planes, then you start seeing a lot of the military personnel in your neighborhood move out. You know that there's going to be a big hole in the community.
The communities of Brunswick, Topsham, Freeport, Bath, and other surrounding communities were heavily affected when the base was closed. 5,000 jobs lost, over 2,100 housing units went on the market, a significant hit to the community. Several years ago, Jim Dietert, who's the head of Rhinell, saw an opportunity to change that company from an equipment manufacturer to a foam manufacturer. It worked with our parent, Coastal Enterprises, Inc., and the first rounds, and was able to really create a successful company there. This attracted Molnlycke, which is a Swedish company, to ultimately buy Rhinell.
When Molnlycke purchased Rhinell 3 years ago, there was a great deal of concern, anxiety, and trepidation regarding the buyout, because a lot of people had been through this before, where a large company will come in, buy up small companies, gut it, sell it, dispose of it, do as they please. But this is a different story.
We manufacture advanced wound care products that are used by patients all over the world. We also have now moved on to preventing wounds from forming in the first place. And that's why we're #1 in the U.S. and we'll be #1 in the world.
When Molnlycke announced it was ready to expand further and build a new state-of-the-art factory, we stepped up to compete.
We were competing with Czechoslovakia, Finland, certainly Asia, and other sites in the U.S. It's very significant that an 80-person entity in Maine, being Rhinell, with huge support from corporate, was able to finance this project locally.
We were able to work with the Mid-Coast Redevelopment Authority to use New Markets tax credits to help create a finance package that was attractive to Molnlycke to allow them to expand the operations onto the base. So you have this discipline that goes into the transactions that is very different than, per se, a grant program. Everybody has to believe that the project is going to be not only a community benefit, but financially strong for the long road there, or they wouldn't be getting involved.
First and foremost, the project had to make economic sense. And so through the use of the CEI Capital Markets program, that helped us get the economics to work. And certainly it's up to us to be profitable going forward so that we can continue to grow. We're going to start out with 45 people here, and because of the significant investment in the equipment and the automation, it's not just going to be a lot of production work. There's going to be a lot of quality control people, there's going to be regulatory people, there's going to be microbiologists. So quite high-skilled positions here, 45 to start out. We hope to double within 5 to 7 years, and so conceivably get up to 100 people or more. And the way that Molnlycke is growing, there's no reason it won't grow beyond that.
It's a big deal. I'm very pleased, very happy, excited, especially at my age, to get an opportunity like this.
It may take a little bit of time, but it's going to come back. And this is really a good starting point.